Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove all of your matches on the Bumble application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the People page where you will directly be able to match or unmatch with various different users. Now, if you wish to unmatch with all of the users that you have matched with until now, then tap on the profile option at the bottom left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you tap on this, you will see the type of connection as well as the date mode options. You can simply swipe the toggle within the date mode and you will be told that all of your current chats, messages and matches will be lost. Just tap on the turn off date option if you wish to confirm this decision. Once you tap on this option, all of your matches that you have made within your account will now be unmatched and your messages will be removed as well. You can now start all the way fresh by re-enabling the date mode button on your Bumble account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove all of your matches on Bumble. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.